Hi, I'm Corbin. Welcome to Pins and Things. Today on Kids Crafts, we're going to be making a funny flip Facebook. To start, you're going to need a 3-ring binder and you're going to need some blank index cards. We're going to take about 5 cards and punch holes in them. You're going to need 5 at a time. You can do one at a time too if that's easier. Once you got 3 sets of cards, then you're ready to go. Let's start making funny faces. Dad, I'm done! This was so fun, I want my brother James to try it. When you're done, you can make funny flip combinations. Like that. That's really funny. You can do whatever combination you want. Like that. Like this lip one. Isn't that great? That looks like a monster. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Click over here for more kids crafts. And click over here to see me every day on the beach house. We'll see you guys next time.